Hi guys, welcome to ShareVision channel. Today I'm going to explain about three stocks which will be banking sector, uh, Punjab National Bank and Yes Bank and South Indian Bank. These three penny stocks are I'm taking for analysis of fundamental as well as technical. We can able to see in this video. So watch it till the end. Then only you can get the idea about these stocks whether we invest or not. So specifically, I'm taking these stocks for small trader like small investment persons. They are very much interested to investing this kind of stocks. So that I'm taking a penny stocks for them. So let's go now. Watch it till the end. We will discuss about fundamental as well as technical analysis of these stocks. Let's go now. So disclaimer: I'm not a SEBI registered person. I'm just sharing my knowledge and experience to this video for you all, and this is for education purpose. So if you are a new person to visit this site or visit this video, please subscribe and support to me, and also press the like button, and it will be useful for motivating to me for further to make the video. Okay, let's go now directly to the video. So fundamental values, I'm taking a small pickup of fundamental values, not much more, because of I did not confuse to anyone, so that I'm taking a 6 or 7 fundamental values. First, we will look after Punjab National Bank. So fundamental important thing is P ratio and EPS, PB ratio, dividend yield, net interest margin percentage, or rate of equity, and promoter holding. These things only I am taking for comparison for both three stocks. So that P ratio will look after for Punjab National Bank 13.88, and EPS the value is 2.64, PB ratio 0.41. It is not much more, so it is very less. Dividend yield, they are not issuing any dividend yield, zero. Net interest margin percentage 2.42, it is also very less. And rate of equity 2.76, it is also very less. Promoter holding, they are having a 76.87 so percentage. So P ratio is the good value for this company. So EPS also okay, not much more, but okay, we can able to say okay. So let's check other two things, other two stocks. For second thing is South Indian Bank. So P ratio is 24.26. It is all yearly basis, March to 2021. I'm taking values, not for TTM value. So P ratio is 24.26. It is more than 20, so that it is also okay. No, not big, not a big issue. And EPS is 0.34 compared to EPS PNB. It is very less. PB ratio 0.30, and dividend yield same like here also not giving, and net margin interest margin percentage 2.55, and rate of equity percentage 1.06 compared to here PNB is very less. So promoter holding, the promoter holding is nil. All the things are sound almost 76 percentage, it is in public hand. So another we can discussion about compared to other Yes Bank. So P ratio is minus 9.45 and EPS minus 1.65, PB ratio 1.18, and dividend yield not issuing. Net margin interest percentage 2.71, rate of equity percentage minus 10.52, promoter holding in nil. So compare these three stocks. I will be choose Punjab National Bank because of compared to other two, it is value is good. So that I think I will be choose Punjab National Bank. Okay, anyhow, we will look after the technical also. Fundamental values, I think this compared to among the threes, the Punjab National is Bank is first, second is I'm selecting South Indian Bank, third only I'm selecting Yes Bank. So Yes Bank, everything, everybody know about the Yes Bank scenario, so I no need to explain about more. So let's go now the watch about technical analysis of other three stocks. So first I'm taking a Punjab National Bank weekly time frame. So see here, like Punjab National Bank, like this kind of traveling in channel pattern. So it will be move go like in my view. So I think it will go up to 46 is the next target level. Currently market price is 41.30. So let's check. We will 1 day time frame. See here, I think the Punjab National Bank currently trading at 41.30. So next target level is 46.545, and it will may reach up to 52. After that, you can exit from the stock. After that, you can get a new one. Uh, Buy from depth level, otherwise you will need a take more time to go for 55 rupees. So that my suggestion is, after target completion of 52, you can, or 52 or 50 or 48, you can take your profit, book your profit, and you can repurchase or rebuy at depth level of 40 rupees. So that is my opinion. You can also analyze along with that, you can decide it. Let's go now. The second stock is South Indian Bank. See, I'm taking here day time frame. So first weekly time frame, you can check it out. See here, weekly time frame, the rising wedge pattern is formation is I am founding here. So it has been already breakout given at this point of level 13.25. Already my previous video, one of video I uploaded related to South Indian Bank. If you did not watch about it, please watch it. It is in um, stock analysis video. Uh, so when I was told 10 rupees is the entry point, so if you enter at that time, you can profit more than 2.25 rupees. But even though no problem, no issue, now also you can buy the stock 13.25. So we will look after day time frame. So as of now, this stock will be again, it will touch take a support from 12 point, I think 12.75. After that, it will go move up upward direction. So I think you need a patience for this stock, this kind of three stocks, not only South Indian Bank, Punjab National also, and Yes Bank also. Very patient is required, because of both stocks are movement is very slow. So currently it has been closed at 13.25. So it may reach up to that 15.75 is the target, first target. If after getting the profit, you can after touch the target, you can get the profit. After that, you can buy at depth level. No need to wait for 18 rupees. But if you are long term, and if you are very patient, you can wait for up to 18.70. So second target is 18.70. So use it the stock for long term or short term swing trading. And next is Yes Bank. So Yes Bank, I'm taking a day time frame. Watch it, guys. See, it is already taken here some retracement. So it has been up movement upward given at 15.65. Then it has been taken some retracement, like now started again upward direction. So it will again go to 15.65 or 16 rupees. So if you want to buy this stock, you can enter tomorrow also. It will go. Take a small profit, and it will go up to 16.85. After that, you can get you can take your profit and then exit. Because of this kind of stocks will not move straightly go to 20 rupees. It will take a more time, more than 6 months. It will take a time for reach at 20.80. So if you are not a patient able to, you can book the profit. Use your money only, surplus money you can use it. Don't invest in much more money in this kind of stocks. So my suggestion is, you can get a profit up to the 15.65 is the right point. Then or 16 rupees or 16.85. So after getting the profit, you can exit from the stock. Then you can buy again when it will come to buy depth level of 13 rupees or 14 rupees. That is intelligent guy will be uh, do that. Okay, you can check it out. That is this is my opinion. You can use this three stocks for your analysis of short-term swing trading purpose. Especially for these three stock taking for small investors. So use this guy, use these stocks guy. Uh, okay, I hope this video will be very much useful for you, and I hope this video will enjoy. Please support and subscribe to me and press the like button. Thank you for watching, and again we will see the next video.